Skills in information technology are very difficult to assess for a number of reasons. First, assessments are naturally subjective. How we measure the quality of external things already varies from subject to subject. More so is how we measure ourselves. Also, an individual's perception of their skills is often not in sync with reality, or at least not even aligned with the perception of others. Secondly, everyone lies, or at least exaggerates on their resumes and profiles. How then can one trust a person's documented skills? The third challenge is that assessments themselves are often too broad and are presented with questions such as, how would you rate your understanding of technology? Or, how good are you at fixing or troubleshooting issues? Or, how well have you designed or implemented this particular system? Seeing lack of acceptable definitions and a system to rate skill sets, our CTO, Eugene Alfaro, developed a unique methodology and rating system that injects objectivity and increases accuracy in the measurement of skill levels. We call this the Cornerstone Technology Skills Assessment Method. We use this method to allow our technical team members to assess their skill level in specific areas. Additionally, peers assess each other using the same definitions of skill levels. Finally, the managers and leads assess team members, again using the same standard definitions. Because of this method, we are able to then more objectively qualify and report the skill levels of our technical team members. Level 0 is where there is no interest, meaning there is no interest in that product or technology at all, and therefore no zeal to place any effort in learning it. Level 1 is the entry level. This individual would have interest in the technology, but had little or no opportunity to touch or work with it. Their interest, however, gives them the energy to learn it. Level 2 is the ability to support a technology. Once you have dedicated and spent time and effort into learning it, either through personal experience or through training, you have, through experience, learned how to understand and comprehend the issues around that particular technology or product, and able to triage and route to those that can actually fix the issues. Notice that the foundation of our skill levels is the ability to understand, comprehend, and support the technology. We believe at Cornerstone that understanding, from operational experience, the product or technologies we work with is the foundation to being able to successfully administer, engineer, and architect it. Level 2 is support. Level 3 is that of the technician. The technician is not only able to comprehend the issues, but also able to diagnose to find the true root cause. The technician therefore understands the basic functionality of a system and how it should operate, and can find why a system does not behave the way it is expected. Technician is level 3. Level 4 is that of the administrator. Not only is the administrator coming from the experience of supporting a technology, but they're able to also diagnose more complex issues. More importantly, the administrator is trusted to make changes to correct the recurrence of such issues. Level 4 is the administrator. Level 5 is the engineer. We believe that those who have learned how to understand and support and make changes in a system are those that are capable of re-engineering applications or systems to prevent issues. The engineer can also deploy a technology according to the requirements defined. They're not only able to re-engineer an application and repeat a set of procedures to build it, but they're also able to optimize it to improve performance and reliability. Level 6 is the implementation engineer. An implementation engineer not only can repeat procedures in order to build a system, but even to rebuild a system from the ground up, making it work even better than before. They can do so because they not only understand the procedures to build, but can build it to meet the demands and the requirements of the customer, because they understand the impact on the user community. Level 7 is the architect. The architect not only has been able to engineer and build the systems from the ground up, but they can also deploy it in varying scenarios. They have enough experience engineering it in different environments and conditions that they are able to conceive different design options that are relevant to specific conditions. These are the individuals within our organization that can whiteboard and conceive ideas for our customers how the system should be designed to function specific to their needs. Level 7 is the architect. Level 8 is the technologist. The technologist has been able to architect similar systems in various scenarios. Because they've been able to look back at previous experiences of how it relates to and is relevant for our customers, the technologist can conceptualize the direction of such technology going forward. They do that not by tracking the trends and marketing of technology manufacturers, but rather by understanding the trends and the changes and demands of information technology faced by our customers and end-user community. By understanding the needs of our customers today and how those needs are changing in the future, we can then predict and conceptualize the direction of these technologies and products that are relevant for them.